Today I'm making another easy no-bake dessert. I'm making Oreo cheesecake. Okay, so before you start, you'll want to square away all your kids with an Oreo cookie. If not, they'll hound you the entire time. Okay, so to start, I'm going to add 25 Oreo cookies into my food processor, and this is what I'm going to use to make the crust for this. You could buy a store-bought crust, that works. Okay, so now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is what's going to help the crust stick together. It should look or feel like wet sand. So now I'm going to add this into an 8 or 9 inch pie crust. I believe this is an 8 inch, but this works in a 9 inch as well. And I'm just going to press and shape this into the pie crust. You could use the back of your measuring spoon or another pie plate and give it a firm press. And once you have it pressed and compacted, you'll want to refrigerate for an hour. I'm going to be folding in broken Oreo cookies into the filling for this, so I'm just going to break them with my hand. And I'm using around 10. And I'm going to set that aside in a bowl until I'm ready to use it. So for the filling, I'm adding an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cup of confectioner sugar. Now I'm just going to combine. Next, I'm going to add an entire 8-ounce container of Cool Whip whipped topping. Now you'll want to whisk until creamy and combined. So this is exactly the base that I use for my peanut butter pie. I'll link that recipe video below. So now I'm folding in the broken Oreo cookies, and this is ready for the crust. Once the crust has set in the refrigerator for at least an hour, you'll want to add the filling and just press it on top of itself. Don't press it and pull away from the crust because it will kind of pick up that crust. Now I'm adding extra cookies. I'm going to garnish with 1 Oreo cookie in the center, give that a press and smooth that out on the top. And along the edges, I'm adding more crushed Oreo cookies. Garnish how you like. Be creative. It all works. So once this is garnished, I'm going to place in the refrigerator to set for at least 1 hour. 2 hours, I think, would be better results. So it's been an hour and a half, and I'm going to show you what a slice looks like. This is so easy to make, and for the cookies and cream flavored cheesecake lovers, this recipe's for you. It's no bake and it's easy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.